Here's an example of a part that we were previously running on a Swiss CNC turning machine. We had to maintain quality, so we designed the process to run on a 40mm index CNC machine and maintained productivity without sacrificing quality. So how do you make a part up to 4 times faster than traditional Swiss machines? The Index MS40 gets it done.
This is a hybrid of a CNC machine and a multi-spindle, all combined.
This machine offers bar load capability with 12-foot bars and 40mm bar diameter. It offers high-pressure coolant systems, offers us the speed and flexibility to have up to 15 tools in the cut at one time. Overlapping operations, ultimately providing precision and speed all in one footprint.
The machine allows us to be more competitive on complex, intricate parts that in the past we may have been priced out of.
And will reduce cycle times for you, our customer.
This machine is good for the environment. The resources that it uses and the energy levels, power levels are reduced.
The Index machine was the only way to get it done. The other option was to put in more Swiss machines. Quite frankly, with the way production in our country has gone the last couple years, there's a lot of projects happening where companies like Avanti Engineering and myself can feel comfortable making these kind of investments. All the feedback that I'm receiving, both from my operators and my setup guy, is that everything is very positive. The machine holds really good tolerance. I really couldn't be happier right now with what I see. Our job is to make your part to the highest quality at the lowest cost.